Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.